It's important to remember that because we are working with water-based clay, we have to care about the clay. When you finish to work, we have to spray with the water and cover the plastic. Also during the work, during the day, if you take a break, spray a bit with the water. So in a way that the clay will stay wet and humid, no? Will stay fresh. If you finish to the work day, the work for the day, spray, cover with a piece of plastic in a way that the humidity stay inside. Or you can use a bag, plastic bag, and put on top, tight at the bottom. You can keep for a few days without wet if you cover properly. If you stay long time without working clay, I mean if you stay more than 1 week, you can put a wet cloth on top of the clay before covering the plastic. Okay, take care about the clay. That is very important too.